Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to solve this equation. We have square root of x minus square root of x plus 3 equal to 1. So the first thing we have to give the conditional of this equation. So the conditional is x must be greater or equal to 0. Okay, and then I have to move one of this square root to another side of the equation. So I move square root of x plus 3 to the right hand side of the equation. So it changes to positive, okay? And then next step, raise square both sides of the equation, okay? So then we got x square equal to 1 plus square root of x plus 3 and then raise to square. We got x equal to 1 plus 2 square root of x plus 3 and then plus square root of x plus 3 raised to square. And then we got x equal to 1 plus 2 square root of x plus 3 and then plus x plus 3. Now I can cancel x both sides of the equation, okay? And then we got 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. So that would be, I write it 4 plus 2 square root of x plus 3 and then equal to 0. So next step, we can subtract 4 both sides of the equation. So we will get 2x plus 3 equal to negative 4. Square root of x plus 3 equal to, so we can divide both sides of the equation with 2 and then we will get negative 2 at the right hand side, okay? Okay, so give a look at this part here. We cannot find any values of x to satisfy this equation because x is greater or equal to 0. So then x plus 3 must be greater than 0. So the first side is greater than 0, but the second side is less than 0. So this is impossible that this equation has a root. So then this equation has no root, okay? Finally, we have found that this equation has no root. And I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.